Hi, this is Rob and welcome to my video. In this video I'm going to show you how to install VirtualBox 6.1 on your Windows 10. But first the requirements. In order to run your VirtualBox on your machine you need a reasonably powerful processor like an Intel or an AMD. Memory, that depends on a couple of things. First of all, your host operating system, how many gigs of memory does it need? And your guest operating system, how many gigs does it need? If you go from 4 gigs per machine, you need at least 8 gigs. If you have more, great. If you have less, not so great. The hard disk space, that's another thing. You need 270 megabytes of hard disk space just to install VirtualBox. And then how much you want to assign to the host operating system. If you want to assign, let's say, 100 gigs to the host operating system, then you need to take that into account. The supported host operating system is Windows, Linux, macOS, Solaris and OpenSolaris. And your guest operating system, it supports basically most modern operating systems. So hop onto your browser, VirtualBox. You go to Oracle VirtualBox, or if you have this result, downloads. And here you see the versions of VirtualBox. This is 6.1.2 for the Windows, OS X, Linux, Solaris, etc. First thing you want to do is click that box. It starts downloading and it's done. And the other thing is that you want to download the expansion pack. So that's downloaded now too. You go to your download folder. And as you can see, I already double click the VirtualBox and it starts the install process. Welcome to the Oracle VM VirtualBox 6.1.2 setup wizard. This is the location where you want to install it. Some prefer it not on the C drive, others do, but for sake of argument and the installation, for this installation we will install it on C. VirtualBox application, USB support, which is important, networking of course, and well, all the good stuff. Next, create a start, the basic things, just leave it checked. You have to read this message, but sure, I will install it. Install it. And now it starts installing it for my machine. It copies files, does all the things you need. Now it asks you, do you want to install this one? Of course you do. You see the icon pop up. And now it's installed. So there you have it. There's another thing that you want to install, and that's this one. That's the expansion pack. Of course you have to read all this, like I didn't do. Okay, now it's installed. So basically that's the big thing. Now you have installed VirtualBox Manager. I usually change this to this. So to this. Over here you have the pull down menus with all the options that we will get into the new video. And for the other videos, the new videos, I will show you how to install Ubuntu, Windows 10 and all other machines. I will do a complete walkthrough of how to go from this to a fully functioning virtual machine. And how does that work? Well, this is my Windows 10, which is actually a virtual machine running on Hyper-V. So I've got a virtual machine running on Hyper-V who just installed Oracle VirtualBox, who will install a virtual Windows 10 in Oracle VirtualBox, which is hilarious. So for now that's it. I hope you enjoyed my video. Next video is going to be about, I think, Ubuntu. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.